Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, in order to change your audio settings and turn off the sounds within the game, click on the gear icon at the top left corner, and now click on audio. Now within the audio settings, you will have various different options. You can simply swipe the sliders to the left if you wish to turn off sounds and make sure that the volume level is at 0% for all of the sounds that you wish to turn off. You can also choose your sound device as well as your speaker configuration, and you have the options to enable or disable various different sound categories. Underneath, you will also see the voice chat settings. You can either use the open mic option or the push to talk settings. You can also change your audio language if you wish by clicking on the audio language drop-down menu for the game. And once you have made your desired changes, you can go back into the game, and you will now notice that your audio changes that you have made have been applied immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds and change your audio settings within the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.